Abby James, and I'm going to be auscultating the heart and lungs of a feline. This is Kevin here, and I'm just going to go ahead and start with getting his respiration rate, and I'm going to get my stopwatch. Okay. Okay, it was about, his respiratory rate was about 53 breaths per minute. So I'm going to go ahead and listen to his lung field and all of the quadrants. And I'm going to be listening for any crackling or wheezing. And I do want to hear air noises, just not anything irregular. Good. 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 So on his left side, everything sounds really well, clear, no rattling, no wheezing, no wisping, anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and listen to his right side. Good. 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 So overall, both lung fields sound good. All quadrants are great. Good rest, and I do believe that he has pretty good respiratory effort. No labor or no issues with that. So I'm going to go ahead and get his beat per minute for his heart rate. And again, I have my stopwatch here. Okay, I counted about 19, so his beat per minute is about at 76. which, you know, he's real calm and easygoing, so that kind of matches his behavior here. And also I'm going to go ahead and listen to the quadrants of his heart and make sure that there is no heart murmurs or any kind of issues there. Good. 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 Okay, everything sounds well with his heart, no heart murmurs or irregular noises. So I'm going to go ahead and check for a pulse deficit with him. Okay, his pulse is following his heart really well back to back, so overall his respiratory efforts are well. His heart rate is pretty regular, no murmurs, no issues, and overall I would say that he has very healthy lungs and heart.